The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. A dangerous situation is currently taking place in downtown Chicago. It has been reported that these criminals have been endangering people and taking 50 to 60 hostages. At this time, all residents within a half-mile radius of downtown Chicago must seek shelter and lock all doors and windows. If these criminals break into your home, armed protection is authorized. Monitor local news outlets for more information as it becomes available.